Bungo, please wait, don't chop my leg. Na good I do to bring fish for una. This fish too big pass me. Yeah, come this side, come. The fish is massive. The fish is massive. Catfish, very massive. Oh, this bungo will chop my leg today. Oh God. Bungo, wait. Let me salute my what is it called? My tortoise. Tortoise, how are you? How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are enjoying yourself in this water. Eh? Bugo, wait. Don't shout. Bugo, it's not only you that want to eat it, oh. Tell you have to come. Because if I leave this thing for you, only you will finish it. Because you are so greedy. I want to take them down here. Bugo, wait. Bugo, your own is here. Oh God. No, Bugo, wait. Look at your own. This is massive. Oh yeah, take. Look the way you are running, that's safe. Somebody is pursuing you. This is the head. Very big, very massive. Hey, Bugo. Your life is very dirty. I will help you guys to put it inside the plate. Are you guys enjoying yourself? Not the way you finish your own, you go and eat your own, oh. Because see the way Tayo is eating safe. Tayo. I know Bungo will come. After Bungo finishes his own, he will come and eat your own. Do you know how much is this catfish? It's very large and very big. I cannot eat it. I'm tired of eating catfish. It's too sweet. Look the way you just pour your own in the ground. Let me say I not give una plate. I give una plate, so as I go through, I still give una plate because I know na ground you go eat. See you, Oyibo rabbit, just dey do pass yourself. I trust this guy wey dey here. I trust am. Oige, you go dey peace. Is my key? My key. Oh, Oyibo rabbit, so sorry. You no fit get power before. You are not a man. You are so dull. Bungo, if you finish, just go and eat that one because this one don't want to eat. And if not to fight later, na cane I go break come out for now. I'm going. Tatas! You dey follow me, no go chop your food. Thank God, Bungo, I trust Bungo. Me, I trust Bungo. Bungo will finish her. I'll go upstairs, go dey wash una. No, no worry. Mind they go inside house. I no fit shout.